There's nothing like you've had us in court and you had what transpired, you saw what transpired in court. You even watch video exhibits. So those are the things that happened in court, and the court has now adjourned for ruling stroke judgment. Ruling will come if if their preliminary objections succeed, and judgment comes if the preliminary objections are thrown out. So we are coming back to court for judgment next week.
We had them calling for vacation of some of our application, calling for striking out of some.
The one they are asking for is to vacate the interim order of injunction. It's just like asking the policeman to leave the bank when robbers are coming. That's the only thing. Can you ask when you know that there could be robbery in court, bank, you will now ask policemen to excuse. So that's the essence of it. If the order is vacated, whatever comes after will have been nugatory. The court will have been put in the position of helplessness. What the applicant is asking for will have become odious. It will have been defeated. So that's why the interim order has to continue, and it's continuing by the order of the court.
Well, sir, finally, before we let you go, coming to this place, the pressman, if it is in order for us to also ask, the pressmen were denied entrance.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.